Is your iPhone's Safari browser suddenly playing truant, leaving you stranded online? Let's get it back on track. First, we're going to tackle Safari's cache and website data, which can often be the culprits. Go to your iPhone settings. In Settings, scroll down until you find Safari. Tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down within the Safari settings and tap on Clear History and Website Data. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap it again to confirm. This step removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Next, let's look at Safari extensions. Scroll back up in the Safari settings menu and tap on Extensions. If you have any extensions enabled, try disabling them by toggling them off. Sometimes an extension can interfere with Safari's normal operation after disabling. Try opening Safari again to see if the issue is resolved. If it is, you can re-enable them one by one to find the problematic one. If Safari is still acting up, it's time to reset your network settings. Go back to the main settings menu. Tap on General, then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the next screen, tap Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. This process will reset all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN/APN settings, but it's often incredibly effective for browser issues. Lastly, always ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update if an update is available. Download and install it. Apple regularly releases updates that can fix bugs and improve performance, including for Safari. With these steps, your Safari browser should be back to its speedy, reliable self.